L1, L2, L3 are connected to the main control switch. PE connection grounding wire terminal strip. N1 is connected to the neutral terminal block. Gas source interface can connect nitrogen, argon, or water-free and oil-free air. The pressure is controlled between 0.8 MPa 1 MPa. Open the water inlet in the cabinet. Add purified water or distilled water to the middle of the yellow scale line. Once the power is connected, turn on the air switch first. Up is on. In the front of control panel, turn on the knob switch and the screen will light up. Pay attention to the temperature used by the machine. Cold water code is 26 degrees, is with the temperature has been constant at 26 degrees. The water temperature must also be raised to 26 degrees in winter to operate. This is to protect the laser. When the water tank temperature reaches about 26 degrees, switch on the laser. Enter the settings. The password is 123,456. In the bottom left corner, there is language settings, which supports multiple languages. Now let's change to English interface. Click Save. Then Return. Briefly introduce each parameter. Frequency of oscillation hertz, adjustable between 50 to 300. Scanning width, 0 to 300 millimeters adjustable. Now we are using 250 millimeters. Laser power, currently set at 1500 W. Judging by the material you are cleaning, you can set the full power or a number less than full power. The duty cycle and frequency are constant and do not need to be adjusted. Laser enabled. Turn on when you use the machine to get the lights out. Linear red light. The open state is a line. This is the cleaning head with just the on/off buttons and the protective windows on it. Now let's turn the protective window on and look at this red light. Now it's a linear red light. And when we turn it off, it turns into a dot. So we're going to turn this linear red light on before we use it. Service lock. Now if we turn this lock off, no light will come out. It will come out when it's on. We're using a width of 250 mm and a power of 1000 W for cleaning. Modify the parameters in the second item on the right column. You can change the width and power. Modify to save and import. In the return to the main interface, and then you can do cleaning test. Double-click button on the cleaning gun head to have the out light out. The laser has a focus. You can try to move up and down to find the distance where the laser is strongest. After finding the focal point, you can start the rust removal cleaning. After use, close the protective window on cleaning head. And then the service lock on the display is also under the closed state. The other parameters of the interface have been saved and do not need to be changed. Switch off the laser. Water cooler knob and air switch. So that the machine is completely turned off.